So you're watching this if you want a few tips about how you might start this. If you want a challenge and you think you can do it on your own, then stop watching this video now. So your task is to produce a file like this. How are you going to do it so that the slider controls the length of the side, and how are you going to do it so that this polygon, the number of sides, is equal to the slider and the length of that? Well, I'll give you a clue here. So in this file here I've got the algebra and the graphics view showing, and it's always a good idea when you're doing some geometry just to check that the ratio of the x and y axis is 1 to 1, which is in this case. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is create a slider, and there's several options with a slider. The number you can have for an angle or an integer value there. I'm just going to take a number, start that at 0 and go up to 5. The increment there is going up in 0.1, so that seems okay. There it is. Now then, what I want to do is produce a polygon that's got the length of side of a equals 1 there. Now there's a number of ways to do that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to produce a line segment of that length. Click on a point, then it asks me for the length. I'm going to type in a, that variable there. Okay, so now the length of this line will adjust as I change that slider. Okay, and now it's just simple to create a regular polygon through those 2 points. So you need to click on the first point, then on the second, and then it's going to ask me for the number of points. Let's do a triangle this time. Click on OK. There we go. Some measurements. I want to measure the distance around the shape and the area. Well, the perimeter I can measure with distance or length there. Just need to make sure that it selects the whole shape and not just one of the lengths. So the perimeter is 3.9 for that one, and the area, do the same thing there, is 0.73. Now if I wanted to create an n-sided polygon, then obviously I would need a second slider that would give me the number of sides. Okay, so the integer value is useful for that one, and the rest would be the same. Good luck.